What's up, everybody? We are back with another video, and in today's video I will be doing Carrington's hair. It has been over 2 months since I last did her hair. I did her hair on July 15th. I think today is September, it's either the 18th or the 19th. I don't really know. So it's been over 2 months. I was supposed to do this on the 15th. Time just got away. In this video, I will be using the Melanin Haircare line by Natural 85 on her hair. Before you see me using it, you're gonna have to see it on her first, because I stick to a strict schedule with me. I've had the main products for really a long time, so long that the melanin on the sucker is gone. So if you want to see our review of the Melanin Haircare line on kids, then just keep on watching. You got anything you want to say?
Hi.
Okay. Hey.
We saw blue in my hair still.
Okay, so yeah, when I was detangling her hair with the pre-poo in, she saw it before I did, but she saw that she still had some blue in her hair. And I put that blue in her hair probably 5 months ago, 4.5, 5 months ago. But I say all that to say, this would be a good time to use this because she still has blue hair paint wax in her hair. So I'm going in with the shampoo. So it's pretty thick. Brown. Okay, I know I'm supposed to put it on her scalp, but like I said, since we still found blue in her hair, this is definitely necessary. That blue got to come out. That's a good lather so far. It has a strong, was that peppermint here?
Yes.
Peppermint scent. Take some. Can you feel that?
Yes.
Okay. Is it cold?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't feel any knots in it.
Do you feel any tingling?
No.
Tingling yet?
No.
If she doesn't feel any tingling yet, we'll keep you updated if she does. Okay, so we just finished rinsing out the shampoo. Her hair feels very streaky. It's not like sticking together or so stripping that it is sticking together. It's still soft, but it feels very clean and streaky. At this point, if the blue is still in her hair, it's just gonna be a permanent fixture, because that shampoo really has her hair feeling very streaky. So if it didn't get out, it ain't never coming out. Did you feel any tingly on your scalp?
No.
Okay, she didn't feel any peppermint or any of that mentholated feeling on her scalp. So although it smells like peppermint and it's a strong scent of peppermint, it doesn't give that little tingly feeling on the scalp. So now I'm gonna go in with the multi-use conditioner.
That one smells like bubble gum.
Okay, she say bubble gum. I don't get bubble gum. Like the little Trident pieces of gum. Smells like that. But going onto her hair, I don't immediately feel like any moisturizing type of situation going on. I don't feel anything happening right now, to be honest with you. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse it out. Okay, so we just finished rinsing the conditioner out, and I didn't feel very much softness when I was putting it on, but I let her sit under the dryer for a few minutes and her hair feels much softer. Not as soft as I would like for it to be, but softer than it was. So do with that information what you will. This is how much I used on her head, which is a lot for me to not have the amount of moisture that I would like, but it is what it is. Now I'm going to go in with the cream. Kind of already dipped into it, but it's filled all the way to the top. It's the cream, pretty thick. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but it's bouncing around. The little beads in her hair are bouncing around, flying around. I don't feel anything from this either. These ingredients are not ingredients that quickly absorb into her hair. in particular. I don't feel like any softness. This feels like her hair feels how it felt when I applied the conditioner. And so now I'm gonna go in with the oil. This oil has a peppermint smell. It's either the almond oil that I'm smelling or the jojoba oil, but then it has a peppermint smell as well. So it's one of those oils, and then it has the peppermint along with it. According to her, you can use the cream as a styler. However, how it behaves on my daughter's hair, I'm not very confident right now. It don't look very good right now. I'm scared, I'm a little concerned, but we gonna proceed the best that we can, okay? See, even when I work it in, after a few minutes, it still just doesn't give me that moisturized feeling in my hands on her hair. But I'm used to her hair being shiny. I'm used to it being smooth. I'm used to it feeling nice in my hands, and I'm not getting any of that. So these are our finished results using the Melanin Haircare line by Natural 85. As you saw in some of the clips, I was having a huge issue as far as the product sitting on top of her hair. So I don't feel like I was getting any moisture or anything from the products. I don't know if I could use this to like twist her hair and give her like a nice twist out. I don't do that to her hair anyway because it's just too much hair, okay? But even if I was to, I just don't think that I would because it sits on top of her hair. I used this to lay her hair down. Her hair is not as laid down as I would like for it to be, but the actual Melanin hair care products, they were not going to give me this, okay? So you have to use something else as far as like to lay the hair down, because if not, it's just going to be cream. So these are her finished results. The product does go away, but I sat her under the dryer. If you've tried any of these products, let me know down below. I know I'm super late, but I just could never find the time to put it into my content calendar because it wasn't a full line. And especially with me protective styling now, I just couldn't find the time. So I'm like, well, I got to do her hair. It's been 2 months. I'll use it on her. So these are our results. This is our review. If you tried any of the products, let me know down below which ones you like, don't like. Now she's at Ulta now, which will save you on shipping because shipping is $10, okay? And the products are 16 and up, 14 and up. So I'm glad she's at Ulta now. She did the right thing by doing that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give it a thumbs down. Share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.